Lambert C. I think this one's going to America. You recording?
Yeah.
Oh. No, these are the hoses for the MA61 Mark II Supra 5MGE, world's first, and they're hoses for the S12 Silvia, which is a CA18et. So that's what these are for. Getting wrapped up very nicely, as you can see, nice and tight. Going all across the globe. So if anyone needs any hoses for a Mark II Supra, Silicone Supra, 5MGE engine, or a S12 Silvia, CA18et, then yeah, please place an order. Contact me on Instagram or on my YouTube channel, Montani Racing. Yeah, so just gonna wrap this up now.
Do you have some bars for us?
Do I have some bars?
Yeah, hoses, like? Go on, that's the word for you.
Get your hoses, because the car needs poses. All nice and holy, just like Moses.
Hey.
That's right. If you don't have these hoses, then you're just gay and your car might blow up one day. Better order them now. Do you like my rhymes?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Lyrical genius.
Oh, thank you, darling. You're such a supporter. That's it. That's all I've got to say. Just buy some hoses. Because, like, in all honesty, the cars are 40 years old now. The hoses, the rubber hoses on there are just brittle and horrible. And it's just an accident waiting to happen. Like,
Yep.
that's why I decided to take the venture and just make some hoses for my cars, because you can't get them. So, you're welcome, guys. It was a lot of effort making the formers and going through the process of getting them all done and travelling to go and get them and whatnot, blah blah blah. But now they're done, everyone can reap the benefits of it. Someone had to do it, eh? What will we need? And my cars get to look extra sexy because of it, because the hoses look extra sexy in the engine bay. Right, that's it. This is almost wrapped. It's wrapped and well strapped. I think that's it. Otherwise they are going to have a nightmare getting into them. Alright. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it is the best car channel on YouTube. This one was C. Lambert, right?